What's going on, guys? Cringe and Pain here, and today I'm going to show you how to get the game that I have, and I'm going to do a let's play on. Now, this is what the video is about. I'm gonna do a let's play on this game. So this is how you get it. You go on Chrome. Don't go on Safari or Firefox, whatever you use. Go on Chrome. Go on More Tools right here. You press on this. Yeah. Go on Extensions. Now this is an extension game. It's really fun though, and you can get really swagalicious. Now it's called Rain Those Dollars. So go on, get more extensions, and yeah, okay, and then type in make it rain. Now this is the game right here. You're basically a cloud, and it's like a cookie clicker type kind of game. So it's really fun. I got it right here, and let me just get into the game. Okay, guys, we're into this. So sorry if you hear my aquarium in the background. I need the aquarium. But so this is the game. So this is add swag. You gotta add swag to your guy. So what does that mean? I've never seen that. That means I have none money. Okay, so you gotta tap this bottom thing. I'm gonna try and move my mouse away as far as I can from the mic, because it's gonna take up a lot of sound. So you gotta tap this cloud to make money, and then you get more money for buying more money. So yeah, this is basically the game. It's really swagalicious when you add a bunch of swag. So let me just fast forward in time. So yeah, I'm gonna fast forward. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, guys, I like how he moves his arms. It's pretty sexy. But so how I'm making so much money is if I keep clicking and spamming, my bonus goes up, so it times it by 4 or 5 or whatever bonus I have. Right now I have times 5, so my click gives me $40. We're almost to swagalicious. We're so close. Come on, keep going. We're so close. And add swag. Dun dun. We have a top hat. Yes. Okay, guys. So I've played myself up to the next add swag. I've played up to 77. Or I've played 2 more swags. So I've added 77k. And I've added 1 mil, I think, for 2 add swags, which means I got like this bow tie and this rainbow. But I want to get farther than that in this, or I might make a part 2 of this video. It might just be this video. But yes, let me fast forward again. So let's go. Okay, guys, we're gonna go up to 100 with 30k. That's a lot, but boom! So now how much do we get without the bonus is, we get 100 without the bonus, guys. That's pretty good. So we can just easily get to 77k, and then we'll get the next swagalicious. guys, it's time. I'm not gonna stop tapping because I'm at times 14, but it's time to add swag. Oh, rainbow! Oh my god, this is so MLG. So the next one is 20 mil. Oh my god. Okay, I'm ready. We need to make this montage faster, so I'm gonna make it faster, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Guys, we're about to hit 20 mil. There we go. Okay, add swag. Oh, there's a unicorn! Ah! Okay, that's awesome. That's like, okay. Oh my god, that's OP. Okay, guys, gotta stay this times 20 bonus. Keep on going. Let's go. Okay, guys, we're about to hit it. Let's go! What happened? I can't. What happened? I can't see something. Is there something there? Oh, there's a pot of gold. Oh, I get it. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, guys, I'm going to end this episode here. It might be short, but I mean, it took about 15 minutes recording this. So I'm like, and my fingers are hurting from tapping my mouse. So I'm gonna leave this episode here. The next swag is 10 billion. And I get 100K without a bonus every tap. That is going to take a long time. So my fingers aren't prepared for that. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Bye guys!